The population of Brisbane is well over 800,000 and puts it well and truly out of a country town status, as some people have described Queensland's largest city. Brisbaneites have been very proud of their city hall ever since it was built in 1930 at a cost of $1 million. The large clock tower dominates the ever-rising skyline. The city is undergoing a new building program, and the City Council are keen to make their city one of the most beautiful in the world. In the early 50s, Brisbane boasted the largest official city area in the world. It has since been overtaken by others. The rising skyline is helping to bring it into line with other progressive Australian cities. Playground of Australia. The Gold Coast is 50 miles south of Brisbane. Sundale Shopping Centre is an example of the rapid development on the coast. There's swinging live music and live radio shows from the Gold Coast's own station. Eager shoppers can find anything they might need, even precious jewellery. Also gemstones, which have been cut and polished from stones found just inland of the Gold Coast. Sundale Shopping Centre is one of the modern attractions of the Gold Coast. But just inland, about 20 miles in the hinterland, is an old attraction, one that's taken millions of years to form. The Natural Arch was discovered in 1890 and has been made into the Natural Bridge National Park by the Queensland Government. Millions of years ago, a large waterfall gouged out below its base a huge cave. Eventually, water from the stream above wore a hole in the cave's roof, forming a natural arch. At night, here in the cave is another spectacle. A dim but ghostly effect is created by thousands of tiny glowworms illuminating the ceiling. The Natural Arch Park covers an area of 491 acres of tropical rainforest. The Natural Arch has remained this way for millions of years, but 20 miles away on the coast, the scenes are ever changing. The Gold Coast in tourist brochures is described as 20 miles of leisure and pleasure between the surging blue Pacific and the cool forest of the hinterland. Every person visiting the Gold Coast will see surfers, which is transformed by night into a world of entertainment. Australians are proud of this area. Regular air services connect just about every major city with the Gold Coast. One can be entertained just browsing around the streets, window shopping, or by attending discos, nightclubs, hotel floor shows, and a wide variety of other entertainment. There are many attractions here: a wax museum, ski land, an international motor racing circuit, fabulous beaches, and nature's paradise itself, David Fleay's Fauna Reserve. Here you'll see just about every type of Australian wildlife. You'll see the animal forgotten by Noah, the duck-billed platypus, a creature still puzzling scientists. You'll see and hear about the research on the platypus, its eating habits, its characteristics, how 3 platypuses were captured in the coastal streams for their long flight to the United States, the special precautions taken to ensure a safe journey, giant eggs producing Australia's large flightless bird, the emu, the worker of the bush, the incubator bird or scrub turkey. From the jungles of New Guinea comes the gura or Victoria crowned pigeon. From South America, the virile but cute guinea pig. From India, the colourful peacock. Australia's living toy, the koala. The solid and sturdy nocturnal wombat. From the north, the cassowary. A look at the native dogs of Australia, dingoes. A giant tortoise of the land, the Galapagos variety. You'll see scenes of the death adder being milked of its deadly venom. And from the bushland, a tame lyrebird. Bold battling bill, the pint-sized paddy melon. And the crocodile, all in nature's paradise.